Real ones know what that earns. 786 days to play. Come too late, get carried away. They chase that move, then it burns. 786, that's my return.
The sun clocked out on me. I still got smoke in my teeth. Ran through the glare all day. Now I can barely breathe. Count what I kept, what slipped. Count what I cut, what bled. No time for a frozen screen when the whole room wants your head. I don't look back in the storm, I don't tab on my pain. I wait for the hammer to cool, then I name what remains. If I lost it, I lost it. If I earned it, it stays. When the noise finally fades out, I can read through the haze. At the end of the day, I check what's left. At the end of the day, I take that breath. Count the chips, count the scars, count the miles I made. At the end of the day, I check what's left. Marcus went beast mode on us. Rooms got cold and loud. Everybody talking big till the numbers come down. I kept my hands on the wheel even when it shook hard. Eyes on the line in the sand. Heart in the blacked out yard. I don't look back in the storm, I don't tab on my pain. I wait for the hammer to cool, then I name what remains. If I lost it, I lost it. If I earned it, it stays. When the noise finally fades out, I can read through the haze. At the end of the day, I check what's left. At the end of the day, I take that breath. Count the chips, count the scars, count the miles I made. At the end of the day, I check what's left. No victory lap, no clean win, just a pulse in my chest. Just the work, just the wreckage, just the weight I address. If the bell says it's over, then I stand with the truth. I don't need a new story, I just need proof. At the end of the day, I check what's left. At the end of the day, I take that breath. Count the chips, count the stars, count the miles I made. At the end of the day, I check what's left.
Count it up. 1, 2. This is a check they said I'd never see. Look at me now. Yeah.
Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing wind while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step. Daily loss, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Greed said double up, fear said bail. Mind doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back. They said get a real job, dreams too small. While I journaled every entry on my bedroom wall. Screens at dawn, eyes dry, but I stayed back testing every scar from the trades I made. Psych on tilt, heart race when I click. Cutting wind short, let the losers get thick. Talking to my shadow in the monitor glare. Stick to wrist, let the trend go where. Prop firm, email almost failed that phase. One pip shot, thought I lost those days, but I tightened my rules like my laces on the track. Came back, hit target, Lil Green on the stack. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you quit, now I count this cash. They wrote me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. Now I'm up and I'm up again. It's for the nights when the spread felt cruel. Charts in my face like I'm back in school. It's for the cans that you threw in my ear. I took every word, turned it all into gear. This for the rules that were built like a cage. I learned every line, made them fuel my rage. This for the voice that said you'll just crash. I muted that sound when I saw that cash. Now it's payout day, screenshot in the mail. Bank app buzzing like I just made bail. I don't flex small wins, I respect that grind. Every digit on the screen took a piece of my mind, but I'm not done, it's the first brick laid. Whole new challenge every time I get paid. I run it back, same plan, more calm. Same firm, new face, same war, new bomb. They gon' say lucky, call it just a streak, but they ain't see the losses, I don't ever tweet. You doubt me once, I'll forget that fast. Doubt me twice, I'll just double this bag. Now I'm up and I'm up again.
Chest, one move, then the next. No drift, no maybe, no star. I want the whole damn wall. Every inch wants more. Every win opens a door. If the wheel keeps turning clean, you can feel it in your skin. Don't pet the doubt. Don't feed the brake. When it locks in place, that's the shape of fate. Lead it hard, let it pull you through. One true signal and I'm all in tow. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to go. All in, no halfway fire. Fuck yes, take it higher. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to blow. All in, no dead end road. Fuck yes, that's the code. In the tape room, same rule. Read the candles, read the fools. If the setup feels alive, I don't blink, I don't swipe. I've seen good enough die slow. Seen bright stars never grow. But when the edge feels true, I go harder than I knew. Momentum, yeah, once it's live. Don't drag the chain, let it drive. Small stuff stack, then the whole thing flips. One clean hit and the river rips. No split focus, no weak knees. One clear lane, one clean squeeze. If the yes hits deep in the bone, then you send it like it's already home. Life don't hand out second chances, not to hesitations, not to glances. So I could lose the tired and tame. Burn the ships if I call your name. When the pulse says run, I don't question why. That kind of hunger learns to fly. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to go. All in, no halfway fire. Fuck yes, take it higher. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to blow. All in, no dead end road. Fuck yes, that's the code. change the room. One true move can split the gloom. Momentum's king, and I know what to do.
Jaw set, eyes up, wrists up.
Muscle in the mirror, thunder in my chest. Every scar story, every loss a debt.
Short fuse, tall odds, whole room feels small. Still in my veins, I'm built for the fall. Pressure on my neck, still walking tall. Bottom of the mountain, I'm laughing at the drop. Heartbeat hammering, I never ever stop. Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the doubt off. Watch it drop, bank on chop. Yeah, you know I'm all I got. Go long when the red line says to stop. Go long till the last breath, last. Chop, 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 rhythm in my blood, it knocks. Bank on chop, I'm the blade that never drops. Grind lines, deep cuts, sweat falls, no luck. Jawline concrete, back straight, locked in. The world tries to fold me, I just dig in, weight on my shoulders, turn it into stock. Every hit I'm taking, only shot.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing this show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Welcome, everybody, to the Power Hour special featuring myself, Logan the CSO, Javi the Maestro. It is August 7th, Friday, last hour of the week. How you doing, Javi?
Could have been better, bro. We made this last second trip where Universal is literally right behind me.
Okay.
So we made this last second trip, and I've been fighting with this laptop for an hour, man. Like nothing's working. My mic's not working. My mouse isn't working. It's been a headache. Our room isn't ready, so
I mean, everything looks good to me.
that's good. I'm glad.
Yeah.
I'm afraid to hit record on this thing, but I'm gonna hit record anyway. Hopefully, that doesn't ruin nothing. But we're recording.
Oh, your screen that you're sharing is
Tiny, right?
you're sharing on YouTube your wealth charts?
Oh, I am. Wait,
Yeah.
how? Oh God, see this thing. Hold on. There we go. Wait, no, I did the wrong thing.
Yeah, it's showing your wealth charts on YouTube.
Hold on, let me fix all this stuff. Yeah, because they won't be able to see it because it's so small. Share screen. All right, and then let's go back to vid. Oh yeah, I see it. You're right. What the hell? How did that even happen? Share window and share this window. There we go. Sweet. Thanks for letting me know because I was also fighting with my wealth charts.
problem.
It's so small. It's so small.
My bad, Logan. I truly hate when folks fake like they were badass in the army, so I was a little triggered. I mean, I don't try to act like I'm a badass. When I was in the military, I don't try and act like I'm a Green Beret. So I was like, okay, that's fine if you think that way, but like, what did I say that made me act like I was a Green Beret? I was like, I was active duty. I was not a reservist. I was not guard, whatever the fuck he said. I was in light armor recon. I did go on deployments, and I lived in Afghanistan for many years and Iraq and other combat zones. So Max was obviously trolling. Unfortunately, the internet hears Max and they instantly believe him. None of that. He was kidding, guys.
The internet
Ross,
takes everything to heart.
Ross, I'll send you my address. You can show up to my place, and then we can see how fucking cap my fucking background is. That's what I thought.
Wait, who's saying all this, bro? It's on YouTube or is it on the core?
No, I was on Discord. There's a guy who he was in Afghanistan also, but he was like, oh, he's like, I didn't know Logan was just this fucking reservist and fake. And I was like, dude, Max is kidding. That's not true. People believe.
Come on.
Logan, why do you choose to eat exactly at 2:45? Kathy, I eat 6 times a day. Otherwise, I'm gonna shrink and turn into Slender Man. Otherwise, I'll turn into the polio legs that Max makes jokes also about that I have.
I wish I had that problem, brother. Like I eat once a day and I inflate very easily. I don't have that luck.
Yeah. Max was trolling, yeah, and unfortunately, people believe it. And so now I'm gonna get fucking DMs of like stolen valor or something crazy. And I'm like,
Oh man. So wait, what did he say? What exactly did he say? I must have missed
Max
it. I
made
wasn't
a
in the morning. I
joke.
was driving.
By the way, guys, the ATR is solo. I'm not trading this until it peaks up. Max said, I actually took no trades this morning, guys. By the way, for anybody who was asking, 0 trades for me today. There's no setups for me. And I stopped trading pretty early on, so like I didn't stay until the afternoon. But Max told the chat, he said I was a reservist. So basically that I lived in the United States and reservists work once a month. So they're not active duty. They didn't do active stuff. He said I didn't deploy anywhere. He said that my job was guard duty, like I guarded crosswalks or something. I don't know, and a bunch of other stuff.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, people believed him.
Wow, bro, that's wild. That's wild that they believed him.
Yeah.
Oh shit, this thing holds over 702. I might like this push to 720 next.
Road guard, yeah. Aniki, that's also the funny thing is you know what's funny is that Max was a MP. He was a military police. So he like actually was a road guard. Like that's what's funny.
He jumped out of planes though, right? He was a
Briefly, yeah.
parachute guy. Can't believe that thing held him. You know,
7
I
times
want
is
to
a
go
lot of
parachuting, but I know that parachute's gonna be like
Yeah.
the entire way down. You know.
Yeah, I gotta maintain my size. Actually, I'm trying to get bigger, so that's why I eat 7 times, Kathy. Bro is probably a water tech. Yeah, what were those guys called? Like water buffalo or something? I don't know. What's the HR currently? 10. Friday, guys. It's gonna be low. You said something about your pants too.
He said something about your pants.
I don't know. Did
See
Max
if we
fall
get
out
the
of a
push to
plane once?
720. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Where are my buttons at? Can't even find. Dude, like this thing is so tight. No, you know what? I can't do wall charts right now. Ugh. The wall charts. I can't even hit. I can't even see the buy or nothing on wall charts to get out. Oh no. Ah. Gotta hold 700.
It looks like Alpha is suing Ninja Trader.
Oh, are they? Why? Defamation of character.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh, it's gonna get spicy. Okay. Gonna get spicy. Dude, I hate Mac. I officially really hate MacBook. What is the equivalent to what this MacBook Pro thing is for a Windows laptop? Because I will say this thing is pretty strong. It's pretty powerful. Keeps up with everything. But I freaking hate it. Oh my god, I want to throw it out the window. It was like a 2K laptop too. I need to throw this thing out the window. It's tax deductible thing.
I have the PHP indicator on the Max website. Can I change my indicator or I have to rebuy? No, you can't just rotate indicators around like that. You gotta get the other one.
Yep.
Revenge trading is killing me. What should I do? Stop revenge trading.
Yep. Did not hold. Let's see, I want to see if it retest 88. This whole
Yeah,
thing-
or pop your account.
Come on. Push back up. Push back up. Ooh. I want to see this 5-minute hold. I would love to see this 5 minutes stay well above that 695, 698. But if it does not, it might not be ready. Type is trailing. Copy this thing.
I've fallen out of a plane over 6,000 times.
6,000 times.
That's impressive. Oh well, his screenshot, his profile is literally him. Yeah, I believe that based on his profile picture.
I can't trail. I can't do nothing without my freaking mask. This thing doesn't let me do anything. What's
Skydiver.
the left click on this freaking pad? Doesn't let me. So I just gotta oh god, it's gonna be annoying.
Doom is a fun game.
Doesn't work.
Doom is definitely a fun game.
Ugh. Hate this.
How'd everybody trade this week? I think I was kind of neutral. I made a little bit, nothing crazy this week.
Nope, still doesn't want to work. No, still doesn't want to work.
Green, no blown accounts, nice. Green,
No,
green, and you lost $1 million. Okay,
only blew one account.
you lost $1 million. I think you can recover. One
Down's
account.
going crazy down here.
Getting into CSO next Friday.
I
Nice.
like the way that pushed up.
Win rate low, kept me RR kept me positive. So I like to hear. Not my best, but we survived with no blown accounts. Good.
Kind of keep pushing on.
About 12K for the week. I blew a bunch of accounts. Had my first red day in over 2 weeks. Made back what I lost yesterday. Wanted to catch a banger now. Just did one trade. Just now, week was a bit tough, but I'm still here. Nice. Red blown account. Blew 3 small accounts this week. Awful. Too many trades. Sounds like a tough week for everybody. I'll tell you guys this.
The whole week or just today?
It's the summer month, right? You guys survived July. Now it's August. If you guys can just make it through these next 3 weeks without popping too many accounts, if you're a new trader, you're gonna have a lot of fun in the fall. Volume picks up in September. You're gonna have a lot of fun. Be patient, right? I had my worst week in a while. Those will come, but I am not proud of how I handled it. It's understandable, Owen. Yeah. Yeah, it's tough. The biggest thing, I'll tell you guys this. I've obviously had red days and red weeks, right? Here's something, it never, I don't want to say if it gets easier, but it's the best way to deal with it is like, the sooner you understand that this happens, and this is part of the process, whether you handled it well or not, whether you went on tilt or not, all that matters is how you recover, right? You already took your red trade or red account or red day or red week or popped them or tilted or did whatever, right? You already did all that. It's already happened, right? This is like anything in life. You can sit there and you can harp on it and beat yourself up about it, or you can say, fuck, I'm an idiot. All right, let's reset, start fresh, let's move on from it. New accounts, even if it's not new accounts, even if it's a red account, no matter what it is, reset. Just reset. Just get back into it, right? Easier said than done, of course, but just try and move on, right? Losses happen. Tilt happens. You guys have seen me go on tilt and live, right? It shit fucking sucks, but it happens.
I almost went tilt right now.
I was gonna say, Javi might go on tilt
me off.
during power hour. Yeah.
I just
Javi might go on
DCA'd 5 times into that 688, and thankfully it just played out. I'm up $100. I can't. This laptop is going. I want to throw it. I want to throw it out the window. I want to throw it out the fucking window. Oh my god! Just got lucky on that fucking DCA. On that, I gotta be careful. Okay, there's no one around me, but still. Oh my gosh!
Boys, I passed by first. Podcast
Trill.
Steve G. Listen MFF though. He's so fucking stoked.
Okay.
It's an insane value. Just to add able to
I got
observe
out
you
right
guys
though.
do it through the process. Appreciate that. Amazing products.
DCA for the win, contrary. Like literally right now, I just like can't trail. I can't trail. I'm gonna trade on my phone. Screw this, man. I can't trail. I'm just gonna be like this to you guys when I'm in the trades.
Get bitter or better. No reason to dwell on it.
Yeah.
Dude, my entire life, I made terrible mistakes. My entire life, I made terrible decisions. In the 32 years and 8 months of my existence, I have made millions of terrible decisions. Do I sit here and dwell on it? Do I harp on it? Or is it a lesson? And you move on from it. And you adjust. And you adapt. And you overcome. Right? What is me sitting and bitching and being upset about something going to do? It's not going to fix it. It already happened. Whatever you fuck up in life, shit happens. Yeah, you're going to have emotions about it. You're going to be frustrated. But what is sitting there and moping and groaning about it going to do? It's going to do nothing.
Nothing.
You either fucking just forget about it or you adjust. Wow, you're that young? Yes. 32 years old. I look 50. I'm aware. The military aged me terribly. You spend that much time living in the Middle East. And not the pretty Middle East. I wasn't in like Dubai. You start to age a little.
Whoa. I can't even trail this shit. Oh my god, guys, it just popped off. There's that 5-minute trigger on the. Whoa. Okay, whatever. I exited it. I don't know what's going on. I can't trail shit. I had one
How many
marker.
emails have I gone through? Hundreds and hundreds.
Oh,
Hundreds
okay.
and hundreds
So,
and hundreds. Not proud of it. Man enough to admit it. I also just didn't know what the fuck I was doing when I started trading. It's just pop, reset, pop, reset, pop, reset.
all right, this thing might keep going here. It's a trifecta here.
That was a good trade, Avi.
If we have a potential push back up to 760, 770. But this thing already took off. I was in the long at 700, and because my computer was pissing me off, I DCA'd into that 688 level. I was about to go tilt in front of everybody, because this damn computer pissing me off.
How many contracts do I trade with? Well, I'll tell you as a new trader, you shouldn't trade above or below. You should trade 50Ks,
Look at
and you
that.
shouldn't trade over 1 mini or 10 micros. Wow. What
Just
is
got in on
this?
that 733 hold. It just exploded.
What is this?
Look at that. 2 micros running. Ah, baby. Oh shit. I didn't trail them. Oh crap. I didn't trail. That was the fastest $200. Nah, it's not the fastest $200. I've made 200 way faster.
Do we not worry about midline as a key level at the point in the day? Midline of what?
Of orb. By this time,
I don't
I
trade
use
orbit.
orb as a mini guide, but not as a main guide. Like I see it
also-
there, but
Yeah.
it's not. Yeah.
I don't trade any of the orbs you guys trade. And there's not a single one of you who trade the same orb as me, besides my students, of course. I don't trade the same orbs you guys do. Unless you're a student. So I don't care about, and my orbs, I don't care about after the morning. It doesn't exist to me.
That thing went right up to 770. Right up to 770.
Logan, you only trade PHP? No, I also trade orb, but a different orb. And I also trade market structure.
Still want to see this 5-minute hold over 733. If this wants to continue to push up. We need to break over 776 next. If she wants to, the next level will be 796 and then 814.
50K, I only trade 1 to 2 micros. Is that too small? I wouldn't. I mean, for me, it
That's
is.
for
but-
yeah. Even for me, that's small for a 50K. Like a 25K, 1 to 3 is good. A 50K, 3 to 6 is where I kind of keep it.
I won't.
very-
I won't go under 3. And if I'm only trading 3, if it's fucking and like super crazy ATR.
Yeah, the ATR is.
Otherwise, I do at least 6 to 10. And the cow and milking competition gets jacked off for hours. Huh. 10 to 10:15 is useful after the chaotic opening volatility settles. A lot of people like to trade after 10 o'clock. I actually don't trade after 10 o'clock. I actually log out at 10. I know these orbs. Actually, MIP, no, you don't. You think because you're a mastermind student, you know it? Joke's on you. No, you know orbs that I do not use.
I think he knows the OG orbs that were.
He knows the orbs that I taught in that class, but I
Yeah.
don't use any of those anymore. And that's a very outdated class.
Data
What
changes.
ticker? MNQ.
Data changes.
I know how he gets trigger happy, but Logan, do you get trigger happy? Only with actual weapons.
Yeah, I was just gonna say with I get trigger happy with different things. Oh yeah, she popping up again. There she goes. I re-entered 2 micros on that little retest pullback at 42. Almost 20 points, $300 on the phone. I'm gonna trail this one here and let the other one breathe a little bit. Oh yeah, keep going, baby. Keep
Not
going.
really.
Keep going.
You just want to say to the others, like, buy the course and you will know. You think so? All right. Students of mine, any student of mine that is also a mastermind student. Any student of mine that's also a mastermind student. That's here. Yes, sir. There's V.
2
Cool.
micros up
And there's
80
Mike.
bucks,
Hey,
85,
Ian Mike.
90.
Ian Mike Rhymes Ernesto. Is my orb also the same orb that's taught in the mastermind class? Nope, no, 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 no. Look at that. Interesting.
Look at that long, guys. 733 held.
You MIP. You don't know what you're talking
2
about.
micros.
Never heard Logan say buy my course. Correct. I
Still
don't
going.
think I said that.
Still
Nice,
going.
Bobby. This shit is still going.
Still going. Look at that. 124 with 2 micros, baby. It's just running. I'm just gonna keep it here until it trails me out. Yeah, until it trails me out. It's already auto trail. Let's see where it takes you out.
Yeah, I think I've told more people not to buy my
I
course
noticed
than I've
that.
said buy it.
Yeah, I don't say nothing about it. People want it, it's there. I'm not pushing it. I already seen a bunch of my students get payouts in the first week.
Yeah, exactly. Risk it. I actually did just make a video to your response saying not to buy my course. Literally,
Oh yeah, that's right. I saw that. I did.
literally just told everybody, don't buy my course. I don't need your money. Don't buy it. If you want to learn how I trade, cool. But otherwise, don't buy my course.
One runner still alive. One runner still alive. $400. $400.
790. I'm getting in.
Still going, baby.
ATR is too low. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. I'm not trading. I'm not trading. Hands off. Never mind. You can take it if you want, but I'm not trading this low of ATR.
Raymond, there are payment plans, but it is region based. PayPal and what is the other thing called? Starts with a K, but it's region based. So it's a beautiful long there. That DCA at 688, 100 points already. But I can't freaking trail on the computer, so I let it go at 740. And then got right back in it on my phone.
What?
From here, we're at almost the peak. It's been ranging all day. Like it's
Logan
been
is
in
in
this
selling
big
course
ass
mode.
number.
This is why most of these gurus suck. Just spread human, man. My man, you're so insecure and just you have such like that's. Here's what I'll do right now. How about this, Robert? To prove a point, watch what I'll do right now. I will turn off my course right now for the next 2 weeks. Watch
Just
this.
spread human. What the fuck does that mean?
Just to prove a point. So I genuinely don't give a fuck.
You know what? I need to calm on the language. I forget I'm not home. Thankfully, there are no kids around right now. But yeah, I need to chill on the language. Catching myself. Catching myself. I don't want to get kicked out.
Just to prove a point.
My kids are gonna enjoy Universal tomorrow.
Edit. How do I turn it off? Edit. Publish. There you go. Update course. There you go.
Yeah, you see
Now
that?
it's no longer on the website. So now if you go on maxoptionstrading.com, you will not see my course. How about that? Fuck you. Who the fuck do you think you are? Don't ever try and fucking call me out like I'm a liar or I'm some fucking furu or scammer.
Yeah.
You don't fucking know me. Just because I'm on the internet and I'm fucking trading live? Fuck you.
We will forever be labeled at that from now on, though, brother. Like,
Well,
there's
now my
almost no
course is gone.
escaping
So
it.
how about that?
There's almost no escaping it. I'm pretty sure Max doesn't care he gets called a furu anymore. Like we're there's so many of us proven students. You have so many proven students. I got the same thing. It's like you're either in or you're not. It's that simple. Nobody's holding anything on anyone to force them to get anything. It's all up to you. Results speak for themselves. We both have students, right? We're both mastermind students. We developed our own thing. We both have students who have succeeded. We make money off of trading. I don't rely on anything. Oh my God, my runner's still running, guys. I got that one runner still running. Look at that. Look at that. It's still going, baby. Yeah. Oh,
Nothing more I hate
100
than somebody questioning my integrity.
there it goes, baby. Still going. What a beautiful loan. The trifecta, guys. Trifecta in full effect. What a trifecta push. You guys see it on the chart, right? See the triple signals? Boom, boom, boom. Like that casino I talked about at Montlu. All three lined up. All three were A++ setups. Beautiful. Stacked levels. You see where that 1, 2, and 5 minute level, they're all like sandwiched, like a little sandwich. You got that little jamon right there in the middle with the 2 minute. In between the brioche buns. So delicious.
What a rip.
Yo, they gave
That
me
shouldn't have been talked about.
they gave me some like a new cocktail of pills. I have a headache. I'm very constipated. And I feel like they gave me something called metformin that's supposed to suppress hunger, but they gave that to me for the insulin thing. But I feel like it's making me hungry. Like, yeah, the insulin that metformin, they said it's for I don't have diabetes though. I'm insulin resistance, but my blood pressure, everything, whatever the diabetic blood sugar, everything was good. The only thing was the insulin resistance thing, and she gave me that. She said she did tell me it's for diabetic people, but that's supposed to help with that. It doesn't suppress appetite. Them lying bastards. Yeah, hey, everybody, doctor,
Oh,
thanks to Google.
as long as it helps you out.
Yeah, I'm definitely a Google doctor myself. It makes your cells more sensitive to insulin. Oh, okay, so it doesn't suppress. They told me it suppressed hunger. I feel like I'm more hungry now than I used to be. Like I don't really eat a whole lot. I haven't eaten. I ate a little bit earlier on the way here. We ate some popcorn, but I don't eat a lot. and now I don't get hungry. Now I feel hungry, and I don't know why, and I don't like that. I'm
I
trying to
struggle with
improve.
eating. I struggle with eating all the time. I don't eat enough. I'm never hungry. I struggle pretty badly. I like you guys see me eat all the time, and it's because I'm forcing it. Like if I'm not sitting down, like I'm always moving around and doing something. Like I have to
I
like
can't believe
force
my
myself.
runner is still alive. Yeah, my runner's trailing from 397. It's still alive. It hasn't been taken out yet. It's just floating in it right now. That's some BS. Get off ASAP. Get off of what? That metformin?
It's
I
not
mean,
about how
I'm
much
gonna do
you eat.
blood work
It's
in
about
like 6 weeks again, and then she'll let me know.
I mean, it's both. Definitely matters how much you eat and what you're eating. It's a combination of
Yeah.
both. I eat very healthy, but it's hard. It's very difficult to get enough macronutrients, or not even just nutrients in general, food in general, because my food is so like not calorie dense at all. So,
Oh, look, we hit that barrier at 814.
how many units you take on the Retta? I don't take Retta.
Or Greta.
I take
Have a good weekend, Travis.
TRT,
Go-
BPC, Sermorelin, and NAD. Everybody loves Retta. I don't need to take Retta. I don't want to take. I don't want anything that's going to suppress my hunger. I have the opposite issue. I need to eat more.
Eat some iguanas. We found, I think, a family of iguanas near our place. Like they hang out near those. I don't know, what do you call those things? They're like little tiny rivers, or I think they're aqueducts or something. I don't know, but there's like all these random little creek river things between houses every random place in Florida. I don't know what you call those things. I've never seen them before. The canals. Yeah, there you go. Those canals. You got like there's like a bunch of iguanas hanging out around those canals. There's one right around our place that we saw like 8 of them, just like popping their heads out.
Yeah, they're all over the place. I saw a big one right across my front porch the other day. Logan, you have a dog? What? I mean, no. Why do you ask?
It's still going, guys. It's still going. My one runner is still running. It's still going. It's
My boy tried to
100%
get me
blood.
on shredded. He's shredded. I can't do it. Sticking with Tessa.
Oh shit, it's still going. Oh my
Wow,
god.
this is insane. I mean, I told you guys I liked the long, but I wasn't going to take it because the volume is too low, and it's still 35 fucking points. Crazy.
Oh,
Logan, I'm about
finally got trailed out. I finally got trailed out.
to. The doctor's going to tell you what you should do on TRT, but
449.
I'm not a doctor.
Yeah, man. We might get another sauce box to sauce box tap. I mean, if it can break through that 824 levels next, that's the next barrier. 824, 840, then you have 848, 859 right into the sauce box. Just gave a little tickle, right? It tickled the sauce box right down here at 677. Sauce box was 675. Just tickled it just a little bit, just like when when you lay that first little doochie and then the water tickles you, just like that. Chart formation right there.
Huh.
You have to be sure no one's around me when I say stuff like
Huh.
that.
Interesting.
Yeah, we love those tickles, Erica.
Logan, I literally waited all morning and had no trades, and I thought to myself, Logan probably didn't take anything either. Then I forced a trade and got clapped. Damn it, Jesse.
Jesse.
I took 0 trades this morning. There was no clear setups. I didn't like it. The ATR was too high. There's all these levels in the way. It wasn't worth it. Not trading. Pooter says, I got the clap once.
You got the clap once.
Right here, that dude.
Yeah.
How you change prop form quickly on wealth charts? I use Omni prop, so I just trade them all together.
The Tucci course.
What's the ATR sweet spot? 15 to 25-ish.
Congrats, Juno. Metformin causes B12 deficiency. I'm taking B12 too. I already had B12 deficiency, and they're making me take 1,000 milligrams
Logan, what
think.
are the best and
I'll have
worst
to look
days
at
of
the chart.
trade ranked? So funny enough, I'll ask you guys this.
Vitamin B12.
I'll ask you guys this because I bet you mine is the opposite. What is, students, don't answer this. What is your least favorite day, your worst day of the week to trade? Where have you caught the most red? Which day of the week?
Mine's Friday.
It's
Mine,
funny.
yeah, look at
Everybody
Friday.
says Friday. My strategies, statistically, my strategies, Friday is either green or no trades, break even. Statistically, it's very interesting. I don't know why that is. I don't really have a logical or like statistical reasoning for it, but Friday is actually one of my best days. I don't really know what the worst day. I think maybe Monday is maybe a rougher day for me. I don't really know.
Oh, I love
What-
Mondays.
Mondays, Rob would say, is bad for us. I can never get
I
a
used
W
to-
on Saturday. Saturdays are tough. Saturdays are tough.
I used to keep track on a few traders that used to religiously hate Fridays. Like they would just be like, "I'm not trading."
Yeah,
Fridays.
a lot of traders that didn't like Fridays and some didn't like Mondays. Yeah.
Yep. And Friday was my worst day. Historically, Fridays were always my worst day. That has changed. I would say last 7, 8 months.
I think Tuesdays and Thursdays are really good months, really good days for me. Friday's always good. I think Monday's probably the worst. Wednesday, I literally can no longer trade on Wednesdays. Interesting. Yeah, I think Mondays might be the worst.
Jay Hooley, any day after I get funded. Trump is speaking.
I all liking funded seat. Took a peek at them once. They'll partner with them. Probably going to roll with them next. Then I finished Tradeifys, of course. I like them. I'm doing the dailies, not their ultras. Their ultras aren't on well charts yet, but I like their dailies. I pulled out 10K in the first week. First week that I started with them, I pulled out $10,000. It was great.
Let me see if this thing could just manage to stay underneath 810. It's looking like it might be decent if it rejects 810 though. If it doesn't reject 810 and it pulls back above, it's gonna go challenge that 824 again. But let me see what it does as it gets up there. God, I hate the computer.
Logan, with your course, will I get better trades with other strategies?
What?
I don't understand that question, but I will tell you this, and I think my course, outside of strategies or anything, I think the good part of my course is teaching patience and emotional discipline in your trading. I think that's where my course does well. It's the psychology and not forcing trades, being okay with one bad trade, walking away with no trades. I think that's where the overall does well. Also, I teach people how to use AI and how to find your own strategies and how to test and use AI and statistics to prove other strategies are bullshit.
Yeah. I have yet to use AI.
Best part of Logan's course is the risk tolerance. Yeah. Very mechanical, our risk management. How is it possible to get a payout so fast on funded seat with an eval consistency so low? 35%, you could theoretically pass it in 3 days. Would you ever collab with Lux Algo? I don't really know how I would go about that, and probably not. We got the best, Max Options Trading has the best indicators there is. Why would we need to collab with anybody else?
Yeah.
Can you put your course on pause? Wonderful.
They'll probably just take it and then say it's their own shit anyway.
I passed the funded seat. Good job, Bubba. Thoughts on taking a break versus getting back on the horse? Bax, I always think taking a break. I think taking a break is always necessary. I'll tell you this, even for me, if I have a morning where I'm tilted, or I fuck up, or I'm pissed off, I might not take, like a week off, but I'll just go and I'll go for a walk all the time. I'll go walk to the beach and come back every time. Sometimes you need a day or two. Honestly, right now, I don't know. I'm just kind of sick of trading right now. Like I could use a break, and I haven't even like gone on tilt and fucked up all my shit yet. I kind of want to just take a week off. I think a break is necessary. It's a mental reset. You got to think about you guys got to think about this, right? People, I don't know if you guys realize this, how this is like the whole concept of how I trade. Trading is, it does, no matter who you think you are, unless you have some type of I don't know, disorder. Trading is, no matter what you say, it is emotionally taxing. No matter how cold-blooded you are, trading is emotionally taxing. No matter what you say, I don't care who you are. Whether you're green or red or break even, the days they lead up, no matter what it is, it's going to have some sort of effect on your emotions and your everything that's going on. And with that being said, even if you're at a dopamine high, let's say you're on the highest streak ever, right? If you actually know, actually, I don't know if you guys know this, like some of the top institutional traders, after they hit, it goes on both ends for them. If they have a major win or a loss, they're required by that hedge fund more often than not to go take a break. Hit a huge win, all right, you need to take 2 weeks off. A loss, you need time off. It's like required by some of these institutions. You guys should apply it the same way. If you're on a huge, that's my biggest issue is when I'm on a hot streak. I get so fucking cocky and big-headed, and I end up doing something stupid afterwards. That's when you guys should be taking the break. And then if you're on a losing streak, it's tough. It's the summer. Take a break. Take a day or two off. Maybe a week if you need to. Who cares? The market's not going anywhere, right? One good day could make up a fucking week of profits, guys. I told this to my students the other day. I was down $35,000 and I ended up $15,000 green. I turned $35,000 to I made $50,000 essentially, right? Just like that. One good trade. When was it? It was that 100-point banger I caught, right? Just like that, guys. That's all it takes. So take a break, Bax. If you need a break, take a break. It's part of the process. The market's not going anywhere. It's going to be here tomorrow. It's going to be here next week, next month, next year. Take a break. I crash the fuck out when I take a bad loss. Why? If you followed your rules. How nice is it setting being able to walk to the beach? Honestly, it's fucking great. Where I used to live, it was nice, but like you just kind of do a walk around the neighborhood. Being able to just go to the beach and just fucking touch sand. I don't even get to touch grass. I get to touch sand. That's pretty nice.
Looks like we're getting trapped in a range.
Why do you say November and September is better? The volume picks up. Everybody comes back. You got to think, right? There's just less volume during the summers. It's the summer. So all the volume picks up heavily during the fall. It's the best time. Then you get a little bit of a slow part during the winter, and then it picks up again in the spring. And women in bikinis. Sure. Yeah. The question is, will you be here? What do you mean by that? To know only 5 months in. You live in Delray Beach. I do. I don't know why you said it like that. I don't even like telling people that. Delray Beach is pretty big. I guess I could say that. It's a pretty big area. I carry a lot of guns with me. What's the max payout on a 50K TPT? $10,000. Because they have nice beaches. Apparently, Delray Beach has the nicest beach in Florida. And even though I live here, and I love Delray, and I'll probably live here for the rest of my life, I don't fucking agree with that at all.
Are you counting your arms, Logan? What does that mean? Are you counting your arms?
You counting your arms?
Yeah,
now I'm playing with this money clip, counting my arms. That's funny. Now I'm looking at. I got a Trump money clip that I got when I stayed at the Trump Tower in Chicago. I'm messing with this.
I know my background's a bit. I'm not at home. Found a corner somewhere. And that's where I'm at.
I think I broke it though.
All right, so far this thing is staying below that 810. 812 just formed a level as well. If this thing can hang out and break 790, there's some room for it to go. But until we see a closure below 790, it's going to keep raging in that, from what I'm seeing at least.
Are you counting your arms? All the firearms? I don't know what we're talking about here.
Yeah, I don't know what. Yeah, that's always like what.
Yeah. I live on an island. And I have to say I don't go to the beach that often. Crazy. Do you guys buy data feed? I've never bought data feed for any prop firm ever. That's Not true at all. What am I talking about? Every live account I have to do that. Yeah, if you're
Oh
live.
yeah, for live accounts, we have to.
Yeah. You hear about Paris Hilton? Yeah.
What you
Yeah,
do.
somebody told me he like did some crazy shit with a knife or something. Uh, you guy's a weirdo.
Wait, Paris Hilton or Perez?
It's this dude who's like
A guy,
a
Perez.
weirdo.
Yeah, I know, and I remember him from MTV days. Perez. She's just stuck in this range right now. Literally like 795, 810, 812.
PHP is his most common strategy. He developed the indicator and the strategy behind it. They said he also has his own orb strategy. What do you-
I just caught that rejection on my computer. Okay, I'm out of this. I can't even like. I hate that I can't trail.
Imagine needing so much attention that you try to kill yourself on live stream.
Oh my god.
I had a guy in my platoon did that. Except for he didn't try, and he killed his baby mama and child, and then took his own life on stream on Facebook Live.
Ooh, yeah, that's not good. Now, can we hold under 790 and keep going?
He was in my platoon.
Next
He
question.
had really bad PTSD.
Can you keep going here?
What
Okay,
do you
it's got
think
a
of
retest.
PHP short right now? If it
I'm
appears,
going crazy.
it's a good short again. So it's the same thing as a long, right? So this long that I talked about before was good. This short will be good. I just personally don't like to trade ATR this low. I like to go for a minimum of 20 to 30 points. So I don't want to go for. It's just not for me.
Yeah, this could pull back up, but I want it to stay below 790. So if it keeps pulling up, it's just potentially gonna re-enter that range. So it's just right back over 90, but needs to pull back down. So that little wicked flip, but if it fails to hold below 790, then it's just gonna re-enter that range it was in.
I'm terribly sorry, Logan. My condolences. Not necessary. It'd be one thing if he took his own life, but he took his baby mama's and child's life. So I don't have any sympathy for
did?
him. The guy in my platoon. So I don't have any sympathy for that.
Oh.
So if it was just himself, yeah.
Yeah.
He decided to take somebody else's life and a child's life. So I have no sympathy for him. Despite what he was going through. A lot of us go through that. It's no excuse, in my opinion. I'm gonna refrain from getting any more into it because people are I don't want to upset anybody, but
Yeah. A lot of
ETR is
politics.
18.
Is it really?
Tom, I don't know what chart you're looking at.
This is still
ETR
this
is
is just widening the range right now. If it keeps
ETR is
if it
13.
keeps bouncing back over 90, it needs to close under 90 again. We could get a 3Z down here too. There's a potential, but I want to see it really hold under 90. The longer it stays above it, the more I think it's going to re-enter that range it was in. Yeah, it's holding on to that 90.
All good, Tom. Short's invalid. The short is invalidated anyway on PHP.
Come on, keep going. fighting this 90 area. Fighting it for dear life right now.
So we can't purchase your program for 2 weeks, Mr. Logan.
Keep going. Keep going.
I'll make it. I'll make it. I'll make it available. I'll make it available.
Yeah, come on, stay under 90. Stay under 90. So I well, gotta see it. Yeah, I'm in my phone.
You better
My
not.
separate account.
Yeah, it
I
should be
wanted
there.
to stay
Should be there.
underneath though. I just wanted to see it continue to pull through. I'm gonna trail one here. And I'm gonna trail my last two now. You can go there. These two follow through. And then get rid of this. Oh yes. Keep going, keep going. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, there you go.
You're shorting in an ES demand zone, Hobby. Do you guys know how to
Oh.
trade?
No, I'm making money. I'm shorting it when I see fit, bro. Right? I just made a quick $200 right there with just a couple micros, and on the other account, I made a quick $400 on that short. Do you know how to trade, or do you just like to speak like you think you're smart? Trading is about making money, bro. I don't
Here's
give
what
a
I'm gonna
damn
do.
what you think.
No. I was tempted to
Do
just
you
full
guys
port
know
shorts
how
right
to
now.
trade?
I was tempted to full
Where's your
port
monocle?
short right now just to prove a
Put on
point
your
against.
monocle. You're shorting it to a supply demand.
That'd be pretty funny if it just dumped, but I'm not gonna do it because it's there's no trade center for me.
I caught a nice little 20, like 15, 20 point
No,
short
I'm
right
not gonna do it, Rob.
there.
There's no trades. I don't want to trade this low volume. Do it. Well, so Hobby already just caught 14 points. Let's see how much farther it goes down.
I also caught that long too.
Yep.
So I'm like, oh, do I know how to trade? Absolutely, I know. I do this. I could do this for a living, right? I
Oliver,
traded for a living for
Oliver,
7 years. All by myself.
Oliver Loveridge. Do you trade prop firms or do you trade your personal cash account?
He's gonna be like, I only trade live accounts. I only drink caviar from the deepest of them fishy babies. Good job, Ganga. My last runner is about to get trailed out. Quick little nice
Yeah, I'm
15
genuinely
point
curious.
grab
I'm
there.
curious how he trades, but he's not answering me now.
Nah, he's leave it alone. He's fine. One of those. You guys, he just comes in, gives his 2 cents while it's already shorting. Like, yeah. Like I saw a setup. I'm a scalper. I'm gonna take it. If it keeps going, great. If it doesn't, guess what? I already took my little piece of the pie. I caught that beautiful long already too. I caught that long from 88, right? When my computer was being a little,
One of you guys
I
plays
had to get
trades.
out
I
and then
hate
got
this
back in
trader.
it.
Easy entry. I use Tradeovate or Wealth Charts. I trade exactly like Hobby. Yeah. Logan, no need to prove yourself. Fuck the haters. I've been seeing your profits for 2 years, and you guys are at MOT are the truth. Oh, I don't care about my profit. My profits are all over my social media. Like I don't care about proving my profits anymore. I had people who tried to call me out. I just care. I just don't want people saying that that I don't have the integrity. That's where I
My
get
runner got
bothered.
trailed out. That's fine. I literally shared all my payouts from the last 2 weeks of July, and still people say shit. It doesn't matter what you do.
Yeah.
Literally showed the request and the bank statements, both of them.
Okay, dude.
And
Fucking
it
sure,
doesn't
dude.
matter.
I'm
It
a
doesn't
favorite.
matter.
I don't care. Sure.
It doesn't matter.
But sure, I'm a Furu. Don't buy my course.
There's
Okay.
always somebody better. There's always somebody that thinks they know more. There's always that thinks they have a better system. It's whatever works for you. In the end, what works for you, what makes sense for you. The end goal is to make money, get those payouts, collect. Use those payouts to put into a live account if you want. Right? Just just make money in the end. That's all that matters. Just make money. That's it. Right? Don't treat this as a casino gambling hub where you're gonna reset a bajillion accounts and barely make it out break even.
Next open, 6:30. Easy money. We're coming up on a 5-minute. I'm not gonna share that one. I was just trying to save you a few dollars. Not mouthing off now, are you? Not mouthing off now,
Just
are
trying
you?
to save you a few dollars. We need to save a few dollars. The trolls when they come in, they're just so entertaining.
Don't think he cares about a few dollars when he is over $400,000 in profits.
Like we already caught the monster play. We caught that monster long. He must have come in late. We caught that monster long, right? I'm just taking a nibbles here now, right? 810, 812. I caught a short off the 812 level, right? That was already a 40, 30 point short. I caught that on my account on my computer. And then I just took a
Update
little
on Blitz attendance next week.
on the phone.
Not if he shirts into Pat like that.
Not if he shirts into that. I'm so confused.
Shorts into PAT, maybe? I don't even know what that means.
Shirts into hat like that.
I don't know what that means. But maybe that means I don't know how to trade. I don't know. Because I don't know what that is.
I think he's talking
Maybe I
about,
don't.
talking about my trade. Oh, look, the short's still shorting. Oh my god, we're still shorting into what we call the demand zone. The demand zone is just too demandy. You can't do
That's
that.
what Logan when his
You
head was
can't
down.
short into the demand zone.
Thought I was a mummy.
Oh,
Previous
damn.
all-time highs.
Oh my
This is
goodness.
previous
Charles.
all-time highs. So you shouldn't short into previous all-time highs, is what you're saying, Oliver?
My goodness, Oliver, my dear sir. It's
Why
the
wouldn't I short?
demand zone.
I got a question. As in, this is the previous all-time highs, the 781.
Indubitably, the
The
short is
781
not
is the
what
previous all-time highs. Is that what you're talking about? Yes. Wait for it to break. But it did break.
Well, why? Why can't you get in before when you see something? And why do you have to wait? Look, the short is still shorting. Oh my goodness, Charles. I mean, Oliver. Oliver, my good sir, the short is still shorting. Into the demand zone. Oh my goodness. Do you not know how to trade? I guess I don't know how to trade.
I don't look at ES.
My career is over, guys. My
I
career
only
is
strictly look at
over.
MNQ when I trade. I don't like to use too many confluences.
I am so freaking hungry, guys. I am so hungry.
Let's see what he's talking about. Let me pull up BS. I don't know. Maybe he knows something I don't know. I'm always.
Amor, bring me something to eat, please. I'm actually feeling kind of lightheaded and nauseous right now. I think
Unless
I actually
this
need
is the
something.
previous highs. You're talking about the 7. Oh, he said 771. But this was already. So every time there's a previous alt, but it's not an all-time high. Because that doesn't. It's the previous high. So it's just you're talking about the higher highs and the lower lows. But that's just assuming that they're always respected, which they're not. Like, I understand your logic there in the setup in comparison of ES to NQ. I understand stating that if it has to respect that or has to break it first, but that's not always the case.
Indubitably, my
I could
son.
be wrong. Maybe you know more than I do.
Indubitably.
Whatever you say.
We do not know how to make money in the trading world. Only good Sir Oliver knows all.
Buy one, get one cheesesteaks at Jersey
Oh,
Mike's. Fucking Jim, now we're talking.
oh yeah.
Now we're fucking talking.
Wait, what's Jersey
Jersey
Mike's?
Mike's, dude. I fucking love Jersey Mike's. I had Jersey Mike's last weekend. I fucking love that shit.
I demand the demands, and the demands the demands. It's
It was when not Spy and ES are above. It is when Spy and ES are both above demand zones.
I think we need to sign up to his course because it's all gibberish right now. That's the only way. It's the only way. We need to sign up for his course to learn about the demand zone. You do not short into the demand zone while the short is shorting, and to short it twice. Yeah. Indubitably good, sir. Oh shoot, MOC is in 5 minutes already? What? What? I mean, there's room right now. This isn't like yesterday's MOC. Yesterday's MOC did not have room. There's room. This thing could absolutely keep going all the way back down to pound 10. But I want to see a level form first. I would love to see it retest that 812. We're about to get it. Might try to form a level here if it can push back over a 790. It might try to form a level that we could use for MOC, but I would love to see it reject. It could pull back up to 824, 812 and reject that area. Well, let's see. I need a level. I need a level for MOC. MOC is market on close. Market on close. He's still jabbering on about demand zones.
When does the power hour end? Not soon enough. 15 minutes. 15 minutes to 20 minutes. What's everybody's plans for this weekend?
We got a level.
Hey, Logan, I wanted to thank you again for your
Make it
service on the
three.
weekends.
Hold on, the
Fuck you,
demand
fat
zone just
bitch.
formed, guys.
Fuck
The
you.
demand zone just formed.
fucking Torta.
783 demand zone. If it once it breaks it, then guess what? The short's going to soar. And
I hope the
demand
first
zone
time you
is
hold
gonna
Broly, he shits himself and throws up all over you. I hope the first time you hold Broly, he just throws up and shits all over you.
We don't want Broly to do that.
I'm gonna teach that kid to be a fucking menace. Max isn't gonna allow me at his house. I'm gonna teach Broly to just say the most absurd things. I'm gonna teach him to just swing on everybody. I'm gonna make him a
We
fucking
are all going to
demon.
contribute to sponsor
He's
you
gonna
for
be-
that
he's gonna
demand
be a
zone
real life
course.
Broly.
Rolling on the floor,
Yeah.
laughing emoji,
Kakarot.
crying face
Brooke,
emoji.
she's always a princess. Broly, I'm gonna make him. He's gonna be the most hot-headed, just pissed off all the time. I'm gonna teach him to just be. I'm gonna have him just be tilted 24/7. Every time he sees his dad, it's on site.
All right.
Hope the next hot chick you bring home, your dick doesn't work.
The Dom's going crazy, guys. Dom's going crazy. I want to see what it does here at 783, but that closure at the 750, 750, 350. So still got a lot of time. Short's still shorting. So if it breaks below 783, the demand zone got flipped to the undemand zone. I want to see what it does here at 783.50. Is it going to hold or not? It's going to hold or not. We're pulled right back above it. Ooh. The
You wanna see
demand zone is
Spider-Man?
demanded.
Nice.
It's
$5
good.
dono from Lilo.
Love that
Javi,
movie.
we are all going to contribute to sponsor you for that demand zone course.
Yes. And no, at the same time, no, I will not allow you guys to spend your money on that. I will make the sacrificial sacrifice.
That doesn't make
I will
sense.
be the sacrificial sacrifice. Yeah, I
double
don't
down on it. Okay.
Oh man. All right, we're just hanging out at this 83 level right now. We got a minute and a half. Where is my I'm so hungry. I need something. She didn't respond to me. She has abandoned me, guys. Okay. Thank you. All right. Well, I did hit the long button there at that 784 with 10 micros. I'm probably gonna get out on a few, honestly. Because I can't hold that many. I can't hold that many. I should have gotten that when it was at 94. Get back up to 94. There you go. Yay. 94. 94. See, I catch all the moves. I catch the ups, the downs, the sideways, the diagonals, the triples, the quadruples. I catch them all. I catch all the moves. Oh yeah, baby. Keep going. Keep going. The demand zone demanded. All right, all right, all right. 30 seconds. Can this thing keep going? I'm gonna trail a few. I'm gonna let 2 swim in case it wants to retest, but if it blows through too hard, I'm gonna get the hell out of it. All right, so MOC, guys, again, right? It's about level holds, level holds. So it tested that 83 level, it popped back above it, I got in. That's simple for me. Okay.
All right, so I'm clicking buy.
I already clicked buy at 83, and I want to be careful here. Oh, it already, that's it? That's it? That's all you gave me? That's it? It's like barely moving. Like it just took a little bit of a little tiny, okay, keep going, come on, keep going, get back up to 812. I'm gonna trail here close, just because 812 could be a rejection, right? Because that's where the undemand zone is gonna be. Around 812 to 824 is where the undemand zone is gonna be.
All right, well, I'm done. I clicked buy.
That was
So
that was
just cause.
that was a weak MOC as expected. Oh, there's 812. All right, that level held. But I don't know how to trade, guys. I don't know how to trade. Because I don't know the demand zones. The demand zones demanded. Well, my runner's still running. 380 on this account. This is the other account I traded. Aliens. I mean, the demand zone did demand though, but it was kind of a deep demand zone. It was kind of deep. Like it changed a little too many times. But then I got my demand zone. Quantum gave me my demand zone at 783, and that shit out. That's it. And that was it. Right to 812. And 812 is the undemand zone, followed by 824. It breaks through 812, 824, right? And then the undemand zone will become the demand zone, guys. Lock into the course. Can't wait to teach my son. Uncle Logan was kicked. Uncle Logan was kicked out of the NFL for. Oh my god!
When
Did he
Broly's at the age, when Broly's at that age where his frontal lobe is like not fully matured, but like just enough to where he's like, he's rebellious towards his father, I'm gonna tell him that his dad is not his real dad. And that
Oh my god! I
he's
could
just at
imagine.
that right age where he hates everything that has to do with his father and be like, look, Broly, I gotta tell you something. He's not really your dad.
So, bottom line,
He actually tried to get rid of you, and then I'm gonna have him just walk up to him, just
this
right him
kid
right
is
in the
in
right in the
for
nuts.
one heck of a time with stories, and he's gonna have no idea what's real, what's not real. He's gonna be
He's
like,
like, what is he like? What he's like? What is that like? 13, 14, maybe? When you just like kids just hate their parents. I'm like,
yeah.
dude, your dad. He's been trying to get rid of you. On you. He was like, I just wish you were Brooke. I hear him. He tells me all the time, dude. I work with him. Dude. All he does is he talks poorly about you.
It's like he named,
You should go find
after a
one of his
character
really expensive
that was named
sports
after
cards.
broccoli.
You should go and take one of his really expensive sports cards.
Oh my god! Oh, my runner's still running. My runner has not gotten taken out yet. It's still running. I gave it some room to breathe, so it's approaching 824 next. I'm gonna trail it a little closer here, just because the 824 is definitely going to be a level that might struggle to break through. That's what I was warning you about. What? I caught a short and a long. I caught both moves, Oliver. Right? That's what it's about. I can do it all. I could catch the up, the down, the sideways, the back and forth. I could catch the snizzles, the bochizzles, the crizzles. I could catch every kind of izzle that exists. Okay? Every single one of them. Doesn't matter what the market can go like, the market can go 3D if it wants. I'll still catch it. I'll still catch it. I'm so hungry, guys. I'm so freaking hungry. Like, you don't understand. Like, I'm feeling this insane hunger right now. And I'm like, I don't know if my body's going into the reserves right now and it wants more reserves, but I got so much reserves. I shouldn't be this hungry. I've not been this hungry in a while. Why can't I eat? I haven't really eaten anything. And I only eat once a day and I don't get hungry like this. But for some reason, I feel hungry. I can't drink beer, Jesse. Beer makes me super bloated.
I feel like I've
I
seen your
know,
stories
right?
of you drinking beer before. I feel like I've seen you drinking beer though.
Yeah, I used to drink a lot. I used to drink a lot of beer. And then I took what's that shit called? Not Ozempic, the other thing. There was another one, Zepbound, Zepbound, and I drank one beer and I felt like my stomach was gonna explode. And ever since that, I couldn't take it no more. And I had to I had to stop taking Zepbound because my blood sugar went super duper low, like super low. It took them 2 hours to bring it back up. I thought I was dying. I thought I was having a heart attack. I went to the hospital and it was sitting there for 2 hours. They kept giving me apple juice and crackers the entire 2 hours. And my blood pressure took 2 hours to come back up. Or the blood sugar, whatever the sugar thing is. I'm insulin and it's insulin resistant. I don't know if I'm gluten intolerant. So I can't even take freaking
What is that, Sam?
and my shift froze.
All right, that's $31,000 on the power hour. Cool.
You should get a shirt that says I beat some. Oh shit, look at that thing just took off. Oh, wait. Oh, 404. My runner got taken out. Right into the sauce box. Look at the rejection off of the sauce box, guys. 848 clean tap, the level and the sauce box.
No trades now.
Today, sauce box. Or gravity. I'm sorry, gravity.
No
Got it.
real trades for me, guys. No real trades for me. I just kind of did my own thing, but no real trades for
Yeah.
so
I took 3 bangers. Nice long, a nice other long. Oh no, four. I took a long, then the long on the 5 minute, then the short, and then the long for MOC. Hell yeah.
not a single trade today. Good job, Max. 1997. This week can suck a key lock. Interesting. Yeah, today's a day of no trading.
I had fun. I had some fun. And my mouth is like salivating so bad right now. Oh shit, I was supposed to do. Oh my gosh. I might have to my students might I'm gonna have to because of my computer issues. I was supposed to do a freaking psych class and oh god, I feel so bad because none of this stuff is working right now. Damn it. Oh, thank you, buddy.
And
Oh,
that's the only thing they had.
okay, that's fine. What is this?
I think I don't know. Coke and Dr. Pepper taste the same. Oh, no, look the same.
Chicken
Yeah,
Caesar wrap. Hell yeah.
have fun.
Thank you, buddy. Oh my god, guys.
Yeah, a lot of returns.
It looks amazing right now. I know, right? I should have like I have so much reserve.
Star.
All right.
Road guard boy, the men are talking.
Oh man.
Max actually was a road guard, which is funny. You know, he was a dirtbag when he was in the MP, whatever unit he was, and they're like his senior NCOs were just like, Max, just go work the intersection. And just with his whistle, just directing people to go. Put on an orange vest, biggest guy. More like a roadblock. Yeah, also true. How many times has Max been demoted? How many times has Logan? Who's the dirtbag?
Oh man.
Look, dude, I was a Marine. We get NJP'd a couple times. All right. Marines are known to just do stupid shit. We get in a lot of trouble.
Another level tap in rejection. 859 just got wicked. Oh my god, look at that. Golden MVG below.
My deployment, we had a deployment to South America. We had my company alone had 27 NJPs on our deployment. 27 NJPs. And if you're in weapons platoon, we were hazed and fucked with so much in weapons platoon. All we did was drink and fight. All we did was drink and fight. It was great, honestly. All my good friends are Mariners. Well, I don't know much about the baseball team, but don't forget the crayons. Crayons. Hey Logan, I missed what Max said this morning about they are letting everyone know who got picked for Blitz next week. Correct. What'll happen next week? We're gonna let everybody know. Every time I watch Power Hour, I am reminded of this Looney Tunes character, Spike and Chester, Hobby and his chatter, and Logan is just chill. Funny. YouTube, word of the day is Friday. Logan, what do you do on your weekends? Contemplate life. Sit in my shower. I don't really do. I mean, usually I'm just. What do I really do on weekends? Gym. Sits on dudes' laps. I don't know about that one. Made $929 per
Made
account.
Just $929 per
job,
account, and it's
Jashar.
still okay than taking the big L.
yeah,
Just
Jashar.
$10 don't owe.
Yeah, I guess I go shooting. Never forget, chat. Logan took us to a gay bar. Did. There's a key part also that we forget about this, is when Max was like, Logan, let's go find some. Let's go look around. And if he apparently knew it was a gay bar, why did he go out of his way to go look for people? Swear to God, he does not work out. Right. Very, very good genetics, I guess. But why does Max keep bringing it up? Does he want to return? That's a good question, Sparky. That's a great question. Why does Max keep bringing it up? Does he want to go back? That's an interesting question. I've never looked at it, thought of it that way. Interesting. YouTube winner is HO Profit. Congratulations. Open up a support ticket. You got access to, oh, we're about to give away a bunch of shit. Let's do this. Mods, let's rip it. Let's send it a bunch of it. So 30 seconds. So first person indicator. Next word is going to be I don't know. No trades. Next word is no trades.
This is like the best old Caesar wrap I've ever had. The lettuce is all brown. I might get that lettuce. Hopefully, it's still around.
Discord. I'm just going to pick random people. Come on up as soon as I invite you. So I'm just going to pick random people who spoke in the chat. So we got our boy Sema. Sema, come on up. Come on up. Give us a few words and then hop off.
That's what did it for you, the no?
Sema, how you feeling? How you doing, man?
I'm good, brother. Almost fucked up heavy today.
But you didn't.
No.
We stayed alive. We're good. We're alive. We're green. We're done for the weekend. We're going into the weekend. About to get drunk. Calling it.
Oh yeah, I'd like to hear that, man. Well, go ahead and open up a sports ticket. You also won an account. I think Max said we're giving away like 5 accounts. So open up a sport ticket. I don't know what the account is, but you got one.
Can I see you guys at the Blitz?
Well, I hope so. Hopefully you're picked.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, fellas. Enjoy the weekend. Appreciate it.
Yep. Talk to you later. All right. And then on the YouTube, winner is Scotland's Finest. Congratulations. Open a support ticket. You get access to any indicator free for an entire week. All right. Hobby, pick a random person on the Discord.
I gotta go. Like, apparently, these guys are supposed to check us in at 4. We've been waiting for 2 hours for a room.
YouTube, next word of the day is blitz. Next word is blitz, YouTube.
Get the dad. All right. Ba-do-do-do-do. And your first is gonna be who this guy? You got MLT tag? It won't load up. Oh, there you go. Yes, you do. Tayton G. I'll give attitude though. It can be annoying, but still. We've been waiting for a while for a room. It's 4:05. Check-in's supposed to be already started. The room should be freaking ready.
Tayton G,
All right,
come on up.
Tayton G. Come on up. Oh, shoot.
Winner on the YouTube, Sheila Leserick. Sheila Leserick, you won an account, Sheila, on the YouTube. Sheila, on the YouTube, you won an account. Open up a sport ticket. Congratulations.
You're in, Tayton.
Oh, my bad. Hey, can you guys hear me?
We got you, Tayton. How you doing, man?
Hey, I'm doing well. How are you guys?
Good. You got anything to say?
Yeah, thank you so much for the account. I appreciate it. I've been doing a lot of dailies, and I like dailies a lot more than the 5 days.
Well, hopefully you get a
And
daily.
I
don't
like
even know what
this
we're
pretty
doing
much
now.
kind of time. What's that?
I said, yeah, I think one of the accounts we're going to be giving you is a daily. So,
Right.
cool.
Exactly. But
Open up a support ticket. Congratulations, man.
all right, thanks. Appreciate it. Have a good weekend, guys.
All right, you too. Bye.
Stop.
Did we get a winner on the YouTube? Sheila, we said, right? Hobby, what's the next word for YouTube?
Next word for YouTube will be degen because I'm a freaking degen.
Degen.
Yeah.
Next word on the YouTube is degen. I'm going to pick a random person on the Discord for a indicator, and we got 1, 2, 3. Our boy Cheddar. Come on up, Cheddar.
Cheddar, cheddar.
Winner on the YouTube, Pos Olab. Pos Olab, congratulations. Open a sports ticket. You got access to any indicator free for an entire week. Starting to lose count of how many indicators and accounts I gave away. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Chili, chili.
Next word on the YouTube is going to be.
What up, cuz?
What up, Jedi? How you doing, brother?
All right, how are you?
Good, man. How's your trade going?
It's all right. Today, for the first time ever, qualified for payout. Not a Logan type or Yuck or a hobby type, but my type.
Green is
It don't
green.
matter,
That's what I'm
bro.
talking about, my man. Good shit, brother.
Money's
Good
money.
fucking shit. Hell yeah.
Hey, and then don't take all that shit from off of Max, man. Don't put up with this stuff, man.
I don't put up with this shit. I bully him in person. When we're in private, I beat the fuck out of him. He just doesn't tell anybody about it. I beat the shit out of him in person all the time.
Hey,
So
put
when
a few licks in there for me too.
yeah, so when he's in public setting, he tries to get back at me, and he tries to get back at me because he knows that when we're in private, I just beat the shit out of him. So
Yeah, because you got that protection
right,
and
right,
in public.
unity, exactly. Right, he's trying to
There's
use
a
the numbers.
reason for the "oh no, don't touch me there, stepdaddy Logan" thing that he said yesterday.
Yeah,
That's why.
when you hit him up, Logan, hit him up and say, "Here go one for Cheddar
circle.
Crip too on Crip, cuz."
On Crip, I got you, brother. I got you. Cheddar, here's what we're gonna do. You already got a payout on one account. We're gonna get you with another account and start getting some payouts on that one also. All right, brother?
All right.
All right, man. We
It
appreciate you. Have a
wasn't
good
from
Is that 3 or 4? 4? Four. All right, cool. YouTube, Uma Trades. Congratulations, open up a sport ticket. You also get an account, Uma Trades. Congratulations on the YouTube. Let's do this. Let's do one more indicator for the Discord and the YouTube, and then we'll get out of here.
What did Tayton win? Tayton's asking what account did I win?
Did Tayton come up? I don't know.
Yeah,
open
he
up a
did.
sport ticket. I don't know.
Yeah,
Open
yeah.
up a sport ticket. Some people got indicators, some people got accounts. I don't know. Just open up a sport ticket, and the mods will know. Take care of it.
The mods will pick for you now.
All right. Last word on the YouTube, Hobby. What's it going to be?
Last word on the YouTube will be universal. That's because
Universal. YouTube, Universal, and Discord. Hobby, pick a random person. These two are going to get an indicator.
Random person, random person. Multi-tag, yes.
Why is that? Why do I look like a zesty ass crip? You could have made me look
You look pretty zesty there.
any different.
Oh God, I hate clicking on this thing. Guesse. What the hell kind of name is that? Guesse. Guesse or Guesse. Guesse. All right. Oh shit.
Winner on the YouTube, Alfred Chow, 315. Congratulations, open up a support ticket. Casey, Quesa. Come on up.
Weird, I can invite them to speak on this one.
Hello.
What's up, man? How you doing?
What's going on?
Hey, you got a camera?
Yeah, I ain't never used it. How you use it?
There's a button that should show up on your screen. It shows turn
Are
on,
you on your
turn
phone?
on camera.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
It should be on the top right. Yeah. Second. He sounds like a brother, but the name that said Quese, I thought he was gonna be a Spanish guy.
Sounds like a brother. That's interesting.
Yeah, see, look.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Right, I was right.
What's up, man? How's your train going?
It's going so. Payouts here, blown accounts there.
Okay.
We're still figuring it out.
Cool. Well, what we're going to do now is we're going to hook you up with any indicator you want for an entire week. All right. And so with that, you can, we've got some education on some of them, whatever you choose, and you can learn a little bit about more stuff that might help you out on trading. All right.
I appreciate it.
All right, man.
Thanks,
Talk to you later.
fellas.
Yep.
Got it, brother.
All right. no trades for me all day. Not a single trade presented for me today. I'm not upset by it. I'm cool with that. It's a good way for me to end the week. You guys know what to do. Check out Max Options Trading for everything that we have to offer. Tip the staff. Fuck, it's the weekend. Go enjoy your weekend. Get off the charts. Hobby, what do you got for everybody?
Guys, today was a headache for me. I am honestly surprised I traded as well as I did because I felt like I was gonna go tilt straight up. I felt like I was so pissed off at my computer. I was about to just be like, screw this, I'm just gonna start clicking. But I got composed. We caught some really great trades, and I hope everyone came out green on a Friday for Power Hour. Other than that, everybody, I did apologize to the elites. I'm sorry, right? My computer is all over the place. I probably won't even be able to do a call. We will postpone it until Sunday before the happy hour. We will do our site call and our weekly recap. And then I'll get that next week's schedule up for you guys as well. Appreciate y'all. Enjoy your weekend. Go have some fun, right? I'm gonna have some fun over here. Appreciate y'all as always. Make sure you follow our socials, X, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, all that fun stuff. Like, subscribe. Don't miss any of the shows. Morning show, happy hour, London Highs, and of course the Power Hour show. A Power Hour show. Tip the staff, show your love, and we'll see you guys again. And Quantum Gang, I'll see you Sunday night, and we'll see you all over again next week for Power Hour. That.
Mickey. Run it. Later, everybody.
Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, I'll be in the back row. Then it flipped on his head, that's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on the gurney. Out from the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, burden in my trip, turned into a gift. Starting all over, I was starting a trip. Took a little chip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little chip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little chip, one and shit, turned into a chip. We in and out quick. Am my electro, heat of my electro. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Am my electro, heat of my electro. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero.
Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Poppy need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white kind, the Sauvignon Blanc. New father, I'm doing my job.
Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me, it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet. And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt. But you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Quantum shift, quantum doing shift, then I did it again. Quantum shift, quantum doing shift. We in and out quick. Am I heat of my do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Am I heat of my do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Heat of my do a quick 5-10, counting up on both.